Hello guys, today we are
How are
playing
you doing this to me?
Entity Tag. We're playing Entity Tag, my mini game right now. You have to actually spawn.
What? I hope to navigate through this place. Why do you name I am going? We need to be duos and I name
Where is it?
to get chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets?
Yeah.
Are y'all being chased? Oh, you little... Come here. He's gone. Okay, I'm gonna stay right here until I see something. I don't see no entities. I heard them, but I just don't see them.
Oh my god. Don't you dare give me that look.
Keep
What
going
the-
out of...
What are you
Bro,
doing?
where's
trying to
the
punch me in the
entities?
head?
Yo, come on, guys. Let's go.
What the hell? You really have to say that? You say where the entities and the monster that comes up right behind me. Why? Why am I always the first one to die? I swear, if a monster's behind you, I swear. I'll swear. Good, we're good, we're good, we're good for now, we're good for now.
So, I say, let's go look for him, and it pops out of nowhere. That makes a lot of sense.
Backstabs me in the head out of nowhere. Just
So, I'm
Cody
trying...
kicks me.
I might just go play basketball. Where is it now? Wait, how do we get to the next level, chat?
I have no idea how to beat this level.
What if we just try boxing him? Actually, hey, let's go find one and try and fighting it.
I'm so short that I don't even think I would be able to hit him in the head. I think I would.
Cool. Bro, I'm not even gonna be able to get away from the thing.
That thing, it's hella fast.
I noticed.
Okay, what the hell is this?
I don't know. Let's go explore.
There's like the most annoyingest thing to get chased around.
Annoyingness?
You always... What?
Yo, what if it just spawns on us?
It's very annoying to run around these because you always run into the... If he spawned near us, I'm just gonna...
Okay, hey, I think we're good. Loki, I think we're good.
Yeah, until he comes out of nowhere.
He ain't gonna come out of nowhere. We'll hear him. Right?
I swear.
Yeah, we're gonna
if this
hear him.
man if he pops up, oh, I'm gonna be so mad. Because every time you say
Let's
something
go over
about
here.
him, he always pops up. Hey, monster! Your dad's back to get the milk. See if he comes.
For real.
I don't think he is.
For what?
What? What the hell? Who does...
Oh no, I know this.
We beat it! We beat it!
Guys, this is skin. Guys, we have to stay together. We have to stay together. It's skinwalkers in here.
Yeah,
Okay,
the ginormous
stick-
guy that walks on those legs, he's hella fast. He's scary.
Are all the monsters in this game fast or like? Come on, let's go. Follow me.
What do you think? Every single one are fast. It's a horror game. What do you think one's gonna be like dabbing us up?
Hey guys. No, 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 no.
Why'd you always come for me?
He's chasing.
Open the door, please.
He can come in here. He can come inside the doors. That's the thing that... Yeah, he can come inside the rooms. That's what...
He's coming, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming. Oh, I'm cooked. Oh, we're cooked. Oh, we're cooked. We're alive? There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. No why? I'm dead. I'm dead.
Ow.
Play what?
Oh no. I'm alone.
Bro, this gets me so going crazy.
Oh! I'm so tired. Viewers in real life, I am so tired. You got to sway your arms like this. I need to get rid of that strap. It keeps it. I'm putting on the strap. So stop hitting me. Not a safe way. Don't wear it. It's only me and Tara. Main menu.
Seven 520.
Thank you.
I'm in the game. In the game. Not play. Not
Alright, the bathroom.
play VR, okay?
Wait. 3,
Also,
2, 1.
Lucas! Look. I'm going. Oh my god. I space am double space going. B-B-B-B-N. Oh. I like your name. I think it's cute. Can you get against the wall and bend over? No, thumbs up, please. And turn around too. Please. Please. No, Lucas, go away. This is me and I space am double space going. This is gang gang. I'm gonna come rape you. Don't make out. Oh, say, can you see by the thundering lights were so bright? That is why lies last me. And I'm proud to be an American. Where
Hello,
at
guys.
least I know I'm
Hello.
free.
Yo.
Oh my god. Equal, what's it called? Profanity, parenthesis. What is it called? I don't know.
Guys, you gotta follow me.
And
I know where.
swallow that. What?
Do you know? Like I do.
Wrong pathway. I guess. Waste time here.
Where am I? I'm too scared. Yes. Oh, they're over there.
There's a river on our life. Oh yeah, our faith. Level, what
Right.
in bathrooms? In bathrooms?
I kind of forgot how to join a private. Yeah.